guys, you can go to the teal one and you can go to the blue one, okay?
All right, sweet. This is perfect. Blue's my favorite color.
Oh, me too!
Yeah, it's recording. Oh, how did these seatbelts go? All right, there we go. The Doo Wopper.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're in our nice, sleek 1950 Chevy Corvette in the driver's seat. This ride.
Hold on, here we go.
Thank you. This ride got a brand new paint job this year, and I'm very happy to show it off to you guys. Order here. I want one ride on the Great Nor'easter and one hamburgersis. Whoa! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. These Zamperla Wild Mice really know how to scare people. They know how to scare me really bad. Oh no! Whoa! Oh, that actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Ooh. Woo! Random trim brake. Hey, stop! Brakes! Brace it! Brace it! That was a great ride! It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought this ride was gonna be a little rough, but it was actually pretty fun. And ladies and gentlemen, that was the Doo Wopper.
Welcome back. Please lift up on your left arm, buckle your seatbelt, and exit to the left.
Thank you very much.